Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate how to use a golf ball to massage under the foot. For those of you who are suffering from plantar fasciitis or heel spurs, this is one of the recommended treatments. So the principle here is the golf ball will not go directly on the heel here. It will not go on the bony parts right here. You keep it just behind the ball of the foot, just up to the heel. It would cover the entire range here. All right? Put the golf ball on the floor. Hold the wall for support. Start with some light pressure. Do not pull the toes back initially. Keep it in the zone recommended. You do the entire width of the foot, but keeping behind the ball of the foot and just in front of the heel. Just for about a minute or two. Then you pull the heel back, so pull the toes back, sorry. Put a bit more pressure there. Sometimes some of you may have a painful spot right there. It's good to really get that zone out. If your painful spot is just in front of the heel, put it right there. Put some focal pressure to really get that spot out. So this is how you would normally use the golf ball to massage under the foot.